What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, a lot of things are just messy, and that is because I finally got to Florida about 11:30 last night. Man, it was so hectic, so tiring. I drove all the way from Jersey to Florida. Pretty cool road trip, very tiring. On the way to Florida, the avalanche brake and ABS light came back on again. My dad was driving the truck and the trailer. We noticed that the coolant in the reservoir started to bubble a little bit. Now, usually when that happens, it's a head gasket problem. I don't think the head gasket's blown, but I think there was so much pressure on that truck that it started giving some issues. So, I have that to check out. I got a video to make on that of what is this light coming on, because the light came off again. I don't know why it's coming on and coming off randomly. So I don't know if the ABS pump is failing. If you guys have any ideas, leave a comment in the comment section below. That'd be cool. And also, I did pick up a package, and I have a few more packages that I'm waiting on. But this one came in the mail. A bunch of LED lights for the Avalanche, which is pretty cool. This came from Formula J&R or J8R. Thank you so much for sending that out to me. There will be a video coming out for that. Sorry I haven't made a regular video for you guys today. I've been so busy packing, and it's pretty difficult doing all of this back and forth. And usually I have videos lined up like a month in advance, and this time I just went dry. So this short video clip is what you're gonna get today. If you guys have any idea what you think could be causing this ABS brake light to come on, leave it in the comment section below. Help me out. Let me figure out what I can check. I am going to run the scanner on it to look at the history to see what came up. If it is a wheel speed sensor, again, I do have a warranty under Chevy for that wheel speed sensor and hub that I bought. I got a 1-year warranty from Chevy, so they would have to reimburse me like some labor rate for having to put that back on, as well as giving me a new part. So hopefully it's not that, or hopefully it's something as simple as that. Hopefully it's not the ABS pump, because I do not feel like doing another one again. And if that's the case, I'm just gonna get a new one or a remand one. But sorry for this really quick episode. Just wanted to update you guys on the Avalanche. I'm so tired. I have not been getting any sleep lately either. So tomorrow will be a better video. I still got stuff to do on Tracker, and I think I have to go back to Jersey again, so it's just crazy. Other than that, I'll see you guys later for the next one. Sorry it's short again, guys. I hate to do this to y'all, but I got so much things to do. So peace. See y'all next time.